Do you know many people are having trouble with cleaning the filter on their Whirlpool WTW5000DW washer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove items. Open the washer lid and remove any clothing or items from the washer basket. Step 2. Place cleaner tablet. Place an affresh washer cleaner tablet in the bottom of the washer basket. Step 3. Select CLEAN WAS. Close the washer lid and select the CLEAN WASHER cycle. Step 4. Start cleaning cycle. Press the START/pause/unlock button to begin the cycle and let it run without interruption. Step 5. Run RINSA and SPIN. After the clean washer cycle finishes, run ARINSA and SPIN cycle to rinse the cleaner from the washer. Step 6. Clean monthly. Remember to perform this cleaning procedure at least once a month or every 30 wash cycles. By following these steps, your Whirlpool washer should be clean and ready for more loads of laundry. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.